Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to invite your friends to like a page on Facebook. But first, you need to download Facebook. Let's click Facebook, let's go. And by the way, this is a fake account, so yeah, don't search it. Okay, let's search the page that you want to invite your friends to like. So let's go Facebook. And then scroll to your right. Here, let's click community. And then it takes a while to load. So here, scroll down, invite friends. And then I only have one friend, which is also a fake account. So here, let's invite, send, invite, send. That's it. That's how you invite friend to like a page on Facebook. I hope you like it. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.